In this video, I want to show you how you can be able to start a fresh Next.js project. So, and the first thing we'll do is to create a new folder. So that folder, what it's going to do is that's where we're going to put all our projects. That is every project you want to be doing as per writing code or building projects. So that's where we're going to put it. So you can just do new, right click on your desktop, then you have this folder. So my own is on desktop. Now for you, you can decide to put it in documents or downloads or anywhere you want to put it. So you can decide to put it there. So I'm going to name it dev project. So once you have it as dev project, so if you already have a folder on your system, you don't need to do this. If you already have a folder whereby you keep your dev project, coding project, you don't need to do this. So but I'm doing it just to teach you the best practices. So the next thing you do is you enter that project, just open it. So you'll notice there's nothing here. So we're going to install the very first project here, which is a Next.js project. So right click, so you see open in terminal. So now for your own system, you might not see open in terminal if you are not on the same version, maybe the latest version of Windows 11, you might not see it. So you can just go to show more here. So on your own, you'll be able to see git bash if you have git installed on your system. We already have that. I've done how to install git and all of that in the bootcamp already, so you can check the LMU project, the video, maybe day 1 or day 2, day 1, day 2, day 3. You can check any of those videos, so you see how to set up git. Now I'm going to use open in terminal here. So once you do open in terminal, so the next thing you do is to go to Next.js landing page. You can just search Next.js on Google. So you come to this page, so you just search Next.js. So if you search like this, so you see this a page like this, so you just open it, then copy this command. You can memorize it, but for it's not compulsory, you can always do it that way. So then paste this, enter. So once you enter, it's going to load a little bit of time. So then it will ask you for the name of that project. So I'm going to call this project example. So you can give it, if it's a maybe note taking app you want to build, you can give it note taking app. Whatever you want to build, you just give it that name. So example project, or let's just name it example. So enter. So it's going to ask you, just accept the default, is good. So it will take a little bit of time to complete the installation. So but once it's done with the installation, then we'll proceed. So the installation is completed now. So you can see success created example. So now if you go back to the folder we created, you notice that we have example inside the folder now. So we have example. So what you do now is you open VS Code. You can just search for VS Code. So just open VS Code. So you just open VS Code, then open folder. So you go to desktop. So you can navigate to where you have that example. So you select it example, then open it in VS Code. So now with this, now we have the Next.js project set up successfully. So from here now you can start to build whatever you want to build. So the project is here already. So that's how to start a fresh new um, a fresh project in Next.js.